Hi guys, Braden from Marques Flooring. Next product we're going to touch on, the Polivac Gen II SV25 or SV30. So this machine is obviously the second generation of rotary sander that they've brought out. What you'll notice a few different things with this machine. The motor is a lot smaller. When I say smaller, I just mean more compact. The motor itself is still the same torque, everything like that. It's just a lot quieter now, so it won't make as much noise. You can literally talk like we are now and you'll barely even notice the machine's on. It weighs 57 kilos now instead of 54, which the old machine weighed, so it's a little bit heavier, which helps with your sanding. Then you've also got the 100-watt vacuum, which comes on this one now. It's the same vacuum that they have the Koala, which is your stand-up vacuum. So a lot of guys will be familiar with this. Comes with 1 year's warranty on the machine and the parts. From there, you've also got, they include a separator on the back of it now, here. So this will help make the filter last in your vacuum. If you just come and have a look. So this is your filter here. So that's quite easy, and it's also replaceable if need be. Not that you're going to be replacing that too often because you have that separator. So that literally clips on. Slide the filter in there like that. Clips on. Wheels fold up when you want to sand. As soon as you start sanding, press this one in, pull the trigger, away you go, just like any other Polivac. 10 amp lead. Okay, 15 meters long, so it's quite a long lead. And then you'll come also with this pad holder here as well, so you just literally, like any other Polivac, stick your pad on, your sanding disc, quick easy lock on the bottom, and away you go. All right, thank you.